last game, everybody. Okay, here's the Bible verse of the day. Before that, Luke chapter 20, verse 47. Be very careful with teachers who do not teach you anything right, or they teach you something false. And don't forget, Luke chapter 10, verse 16, it says, "Oh, ang dami mong pera, anong gawin mo sa pera na yan, Ate Angeline Quinto? Putay ko mo, may kidlat! Tamang sabi ni Robin, may karma na ako dahil ginawa ko yan. Putay ni! Gawa kayo, wala kayong isip. Okay lang. Yes, at least I won now. Next! And don't forget Luke chapter 10, verse 19. It says, we must be joyful about the Spirit that God has given us, not from anything else. And then verses 25-28, how do we become a good person? If you want to be a good boy, just do the commandments and obey the commandments that God has given us. That's how you get things done. And yeah, in Matthew chapter 28, verse 28, God's salvation has now been spread, and everybody listen. And verse 20, it says, and Matthew chapter 28, verse 20 says, may the Lord Jesus be with you, wherever you come and go, both now and forevermore. OMG, what is this now? Ano, magdako ka ng pera? Weh! Grabe naman yung karma na gagawin mo, Ate Angel, Ate Glyza. Gusto mo magdako ng maraming pera para sa inyo? Para sa personal gagawin mo? Gago ka? Tainga mo. Buisip, wala ka alam. Taingi. Gago ka. Ewan mo. Buisip mo. Ewan. Tainga mo. Weh! Di ba sapat? Huwag tayo mag-away. Pag-learn tayo ng minigame, mag-bobo kayo, mag-pusit kayo. Wala kayong tiwala sa isa't isa. Bobo kasi. Gago. Mga pusit, mga tantado. Mga putay na talaga kayo. Mag-shopee shit na lang tayo, para $1,000,000 na tayo. Eto na. Shopee shake. Mabilis ka, no? Yan! Tapos na yung usapan! Mga bobo kayo, mga busit kayo. Wala kayong tiwala sa isa't isa? Tado! At dyan nagtatapos ang laban. Let's go to the awarding ceremony! Welcome to the finale! Hope that you all had a blast! And I'm delighted to see that you all made it here in one piece! And what a stellar battle! So many stars! I can't wait to see who will come out on top! Cause I'm brimming out with excitement! My ears already hurt. Too much talk. Not enough results. Well said, Hank. What about always covering me? Yes, let's get to those results. Yes, and we can't name the winner yet. So we need to find out who gets these bonus stars. You may have chased stars earlier, but these bonus stars come to you. Each counts towards your star total. Newsflash, incoming bonus stars, 3 kinds on the way. What kind of bonus star will be the first to appear? The minigame star! Dazzling! This bonus star goes to the player who collects the most coins from minigames. And the minigame bonus star goes to... Yaha! Look at my face! Look at my face! I'm so handsome, right? I really got that star. Yaha! Now for the second bonus star. What type will it be? The green star! Brilliant! This star goes to the person who landed on the most green spaces. And our green star goes to... Yaha! It's my face! I get the bonus star, and even if I didn't spend so much money, I still get those stars. Yaha! And now for the last bonus star, the final bonus star is the running star, Splendorious. This bonus star goes to the person who travels the farthest. And a running star goes to my best friend. Yoshi! I run so fast! Look at my legs! My legs run so fast! Yoshi! That's the last of my bonus stars! And now, we finally named the winner! And the ultimate victor is Rafi! What a triumph! Yaha! I'm the winner! I'm the superstar! Yaha! Everybody knows me. I'm the winner. And I'm so proud of myself. Look at my face. I'm so handsome, right? I'm so handsome. Gawa kayo, mga epal kayo, mga gawa kayo, mga buisit kayo. Wala kayong tiwala dahil ako kayong panalo. Putay ko kayo lahat. Yaha! Yoshi! I was so close to win. What's your problem? Well, good job anyway, my best friend of Aaron, or Oxy, or Jaira. You were so close in defeating me, but yet you still can't defeat me, because I'm the winner. Oh, tiyo mo dyan, mga gago. Putay mo, Rafi dyan. Dahil si Rafi ang panalo, nagalit na inis ako. Putay ka talaga. Bobo. Tantado si Rafi panalo. Epal, buwisit, tantado. Putay ka talaga. There now. Check it out in the results. Well, lahat kayo, salbay kayo. Tingnan mo, me and my best friend, we rock the day. Not like the pink ladies, mga putay ka talaga sila. Bobo. Check out the results. I get the most number of stars, and the coins too. Of course I won the most number of coins in minigames. And for the shopping star, I was so close to win that. But never mind, because it goes to Ate Camille Prats. She spent 65 pesos within the entire game. And then the candy is dedicated to my best friend, Kurt, or Christian, or Isaac, or Jacob, or Kiel, or Orion. Yeah, too bad for Wilma doesn't though. So therefore, the shopping star goes to Ate Wilma Dasen. Tapos these two goes to my best friend. Red star, Hanip, para sa Ate Glyza to, or Ate Sandra Park to, or Ate Shaira Diaz. Yun po. Or Ate Ara San Agustin. And that's the end of the game. Meet you again next time. Bye. Yoshi. Birdo. So that's, we had so much fun playing. I hope we meet again someday. Yahoo! Let's play again and don't tell some other game. Let's play again next year. Come on. Bye for now. Bye. Paalam po. Paalam na kayo, mga sampanggenyo, mga epal kayo. Putang eh. Umalis ka na dyan, tantado ka. Yun ang gusto ko, puta. Inyo mo.